You know what still amazes me? Something as tiny and sharp smelling as garlic can quietly protect your heart, your brain, even your blood sugar. Better than some fancy supplements people spend hundreds of dollars on. Most folks think of it as just a cooking spice, but for those of us in our golden years, it's a real little guardian. Hi there, I'm Grandma Maggie, and today we're talking about one of the oldest healing foods on earth, garlic. Whether it's in your kitchen or your medicine cabinet, this tiny bulb has so many hidden powers for keeping us healthy, energetic, and strong as we age gracefully. In this video, I'll share 5 remarkable ways garlic can help your heart, your digestion, your immune system, even your memory, and I'll show you how to use it safely and effectively every day. You might be surprised by how simple it really is. So, do you use garlic often at home? Drop me a comment below and tell me how you usually cook with it, raw, roasted, or maybe pickled. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy learning gentle, natural ways to stay healthy. And make sure to stay till the end. I'll share my favorite honey garlic recipe that works wonders for older adults. Now, let's start with the first and probably the most important benefit of garlic, its power to support the heart. You know, at our age, the heart needs a little extra care. Years of stress, rich foods, and less movement can make those blood vessels tighten up and slow the flow. But this is where garlic quietly steps in, like a natural heart protector that's been in our kitchens all along. Garlic has been shown to help lower high blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and keep the arteries more flexible, all of which help prevent heart disease. In fact, studies published in the Nutrition Journal found that aged garlic extract can reduce systolic blood pressure by around 8 to 10 mmHg in people with hypertension. That's quite a difference for something you can grow right in your garden. The secret lies in a compound called allicin, which forms when you crush or chop fresh garlic. Allicin helps relax the blood vessels and improve circulation, so your heart doesn't have to work as hard. It also slows down the buildup of cholesterol in the arteries, helping blood flow more freely. Scientists believe this is why cultures that eat garlic regularly tend to have lower rates of heart problems. You don't need much to get the benefit. 1 to 2 fresh cloves a day is enough for most adults. If the raw flavor is too strong, lightly roast or steam it. That keeps many of the active compounds while being gentler on the stomach. You can also use aged garlic extract or garlic capsules, about 300-600 milligrams per day, especially if raw garlic upsets your digestion. A small word of caution. If you're taking blood-thinning medicine or planning a surgery, talk with your doctor before adding a lot of garlic. It can make the blood a little thinner and increase the risk of bleeding in some people. And as always, consistency matters. Using garlic a little each day is far better than taking too much all at once. So, while it may look simple, that little clove can do wonders for your heart. But its magic doesn't stop there. Garlic is also a powerful ally for your immune system. Let's move on and see how it keeps those pesky colds and infections away. Now that we've talked about the heart, let's move on to another area garlic truly shines in, our immune system. As we get older, our body's defenses naturally slow down. We catch colds more easily, recover slower, and even a small infection can take its time to heal. But here's some good news. Garlic can gently help strengthen those defenses from the inside out. Garlic is known for its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. It helps your body fight off common viruses and bacteria, the kind that cause colds, coughs, and seasonal infections. One well-known study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2021, found that people who took a garlic supplement for 12 weeks had about 60% fewer colds than those who didn't. That's not magic. It's nature's quiet work. The reason garlic works so well lies in a compound called allicin. Yes, the same one that protects the heart, Allicin helps your white blood cells respond faster when germs enter your body. It's like giving your immune system a little wake up call so it can fight better without needing harsh medication. For everyday use, you don't need to eat raw garlic like medicine. Try adding 1 to 2 cloves of freshly chopped or lightly cooked garlic into your daily meals, soups, stir fries, or stews. My personal favorite is roasted garlic spread on warm toast with olive oil. It's gentle on the stomach and tastes wonderful. If you prefer something soothing, you can mix a teaspoon of minced garlic with a spoonful of honey and let it sit for a few days. This honey garlic tonic is a lovely way to calm a sore throat or boost immunity during flu season. Just remember, garlic supports the immune system, but it's not a cure or a replacement for medical treatment. And one more tip, avoid eating garlic on an empty stomach, as it may cause mild irritation or heartburn in some people. Use it gently, make it part of your routine, and you'll feel the difference in your energy and resistance over time. Now, let's talk about another benefit that older adults often appreciate, how garlic can help with digestion. As we grow older, our digestion can become a little less efficient. Slower metabolism, weaker gut muscles, or changes from medication. Many people feel bloated or uncomfortable after eating, even with light meals. Garlic, when used the right way, can actually help bring back comfort to your stomach and support healthy digestion. Garlic gently stimulates the stomach and intestines, encouraging better production of digestive enzymes. It also helps control harmful bacteria that can cause gas and bloating, while supporting the growth of good gut bacteria. Scientists call these helpful fibers in garlic prebiotics. They serve as food for your friendly gut microbes, keeping your system balanced. A small clinical observation published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, 2020, noted that garlic consumption improved gut microbial diversity and reduced mild digestive discomfort among older adults. While this doesn't make it a medicine, it shows that garlic can play a healthy supporting role in maintaining gut comfort. For practical use, try adding 1 to 2 cloves of chopped or crushed garlic into vegetable soups or stews. Cooking it lightly makes it milder and easier to digest. Avoid eating it raw if you have gastritis or acid reflux, since it can be too strong on an empty stomach. You can also combine it with ginger or olive oil to make digestion-friendly seasoning. Here's a simple home idea. Mash a few roasted garlic cloves and mix them into mashed potatoes or cooked vegetables. You'll get the flavor and benefits without upsetting your stomach. And remember, garlic supports digestion best when it's part of a fiber-rich, balanced diet with enough hydration and gentle daily movement. So, besides keeping your heart strong and your immune system active, garlic also helps your gut stay calm and comfortable. But that's not the end of its story. It can even help your body manage blood sugar levels in a natural, supportive way. Let's move to that next. One of the biggest health concerns as we age is keeping blood sugar under control. Even if you don't have diabetes, your body may process sugar less efficiently over time. That's why I often remind people that small natural habits can make a big difference, and garlic happens to be one of those gentle helpers. Several studies suggest that garlic may help the body use insulin more effectively and support healthy blood sugar levels. In a review published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2019, adults who consumed garlic regularly saw a 10–15% drop in fasting blood sugar levels after about 12 weeks. Of course, results vary, and garlic should never replace prescribed diabetes medication, but it can be a supportive part of a balanced diet. The reason garlic helps lies in its sulfur compounds, the same ones that give it that strong smell. These compounds seem to help improve how cells respond to insulin, allowing sugar to move from the blood into the cells more efficiently. It's a natural way to support your metabolism without adding any pills or powders. For daily use, 1 to 2 cloves of cooked or roasted garlic are enough. You can also use black garlic, which is fermented and has a mild, sweet taste. Many older adults find it easier to digest and enjoy eating 1 or 2 pieces in the morning before breakfast. A small tip from my kitchen: try adding roasted garlic to brown rice, oatmeal, or vegetable dishes instead of salt. It gives flavor while supporting steady energy. But remember, garlic is only one piece of the puzzle. A healthy routine, regular walks, balanced meals, and keeping stress in check all work together to keep your blood sugar stable. So far, we've seen how garlic supports the heart, strengthens immunity, improves digestion, and helps balance blood sugar. But there's another part of the body that benefits just as much: your brain. Let's see how this humble bulb keeps your memory and mind sharp. As the years go by, it's not just our bodies that slow down. Sometimes our minds do too. Forgetting names, misplacing things, or losing focus can be frustrating. The good news is, simple daily foods like garlic may quietly help keep your brain healthier and sharper over time. Garlic contains natural antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage caused by stress and aging. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation to the brain, and may support memory and mental clarity. Research published in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine 2020 found that aged garlic extract helped protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, one of the major causes of cognitive decline. Scientists believe this benefit comes from compounds like S-allylcysteine, found in aged garlic. It helps reduce harmful free radicals and supports healthy communication between brain cells. While garlic isn't a cure for memory loss, it's a wonderful addition to an overall brain-friendly lifestyle. For daily use, you can simply include garlic in your main meals, soups, stews, or sautéed vegetables. Combining garlic with a drizzle of olive oil or adding it to fish or beans gives your brain both antioxidants and healthy fats that work beautifully together. Another gentle way to enjoy its benefits is to roast a whole bulb in the oven until soft, then spread it on toast or mix it into mashed vegetables. It's delicious, comforting, and easier to digest than raw garlic, perfect for older adults. Still, the key to a healthy brain isn't garlic alone. Make sure you also stay socially active, keep learning new things, and get enough sleep, all of which help protect memory and focus. Garlic simply gives your brain one more layer of natural support. Now, let's talk about how to use garlic properly in daily life so you can enjoy all these benefits safely. By now, you can see why garlic has earned its place in kitchens and medicine chests for thousands of years. But as with anything powerful, it's not just what you eat, it's how you use it that makes all the difference, especially for older adults. So let's talk about the right and safe ways to enjoy garlic every day. First, the form matters. Fresh garlic is wonderful, but not everyone's stomach can handle it raw. Crushing or chopping it, then letting it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking helps activate allicin, the key compound responsible for many of garlic's health benefits. Lightly sautéing or roasting it makes it gentler while still keeping most of its goodness. Aged garlic extract and black garlic are great alternatives. They contain stable forms of sulfur compounds, offer similar benefits for the heart and immune system, and are easier to digest. Older adults often prefer these because they have no strong odor and cause less stomach irritation. When it comes to quantity, moderation is key. For most healthy adults, about 1 to 2 fresh cloves a day, or 300 to 600 milligrams of garlic extract, is enough. Eating too much can lead to bad breath, mild digestive upset, or, in rare cases, interfere with blood-thinning medications. Always talk to your doctor if you're taking prescribed drugs for heart or blood conditions. One of my favorite ways to enjoy garlic is by combining it with honey. Peel and lightly crush a few cloves, then mix them into raw honey and let the mixture sit for a week. The result is a smooth, sweet tonic that's gentle on the throat and can give your immune system a little boost when the weather turns cool. Another comforting option is roasted garlic blended with olive oil. Creamy, mild, and perfect as a healthy spread in place of butter. Both ways are simple, soothing, and suitable for sensitive stomachs. The real secret is consistency. Use garlic in small amounts every day instead of large doses once in a while. Combined with colorful vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and enough water, garlic becomes a part of a balanced diet that supports your body naturally. Now that we've learned all its beautiful uses, let's wrap things up with a few final thoughts. You see, garlic may be small, but it truly holds remarkable power. It protects the heart, strengthens the immune system, keeps digestion smooth, balances blood sugar, and even supports the brain. The best part is, it's right there in your kitchen. Simple, affordable, and natural. For older adults, it's one of the easiest ways to nurture long-term health without needing anything complicated. But remember, garlic works best when used regularly and wisely. It's not a miracle cure, but rather a quiet companion to your everyday habits, eating well, staying active, and keeping your mind at peace. Just a few cloves a day, prepared the right way, can help your body feel lighter and more energized over time. So, tell me, how do you like to use garlic at home? Do you enjoy it raw, roasted, or maybe in a family recipe passed down through generations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more natural health tips and share it with someone who might benefit too. Stay healthy, stay kind to your body, and I'll see you again soon.